Alert! Missile launch sequence initiated. Copy that. Missiles away. Explosions on the coast confirmed. Maintain defensive formation.
The Strait of Hormuz at midnight is unforgiving. A U.S. Navy destroyer cuts through the turbulent waves, surrounded by hostile shores and sporadic tracer fire. This vessel carries some of the most advanced kinetic firepower ever engineered. But those physical guns and missiles are entirely blind without the digital brains that control them. Welcome to the digital strait. In this battle space, malware and intrusion tactics evolve by the hour. A defense system that worked perfectly yesterday is often obsolete by nightfall. Right now, a highly sophisticated Iranian zero-day logic bomb is already in motion. It is designed to slip effortlessly past static, grid-like security filters without triggering a single alarm. The destroyer has a fatal blind spot. Its digital signature definitions were updated 24 hours ago. Because it lacks the absolute latest threat intelligence, the ship cannot see the logic bomb entering its network. And a digital failure immediately creates a physical crisis. An incoming anti-ship missile launches from a dark silhouette on the horizon. Without an active, secure digital targeting system, the ship's physical guns cannot track or engage the incoming threat. Steel armor means nothing if the software underneath it is compromised. Out here, the speed at which a ship receives its threat updates directly dictates its chances of physical survival. This infographic maps the protocol to survive these encounters. At the top banner, we see CMMC control SI.L1-3.14.4. Panning down to fleet readiness, we find the digital radar array, which includes protective mechanisms like antivirus signature definitions, reputation-based technologies, and software integrity controls. But there is a massive catch. If those mechanisms are operating on old intelligence, they are effectively useless against a live malware stream hammering the firewall. To fix this, the ship relies on an automated reconnaissance system. It constantly polls secure servers for the latest threat data, ensuring the fleet never sails with blind spots. This urgent polling process is managed by a central command node called the Step Ahead Strategic Framework. The objective is immediate updates on release. A massive packet of threat intelligence surges to the ship's network. Racing the missile, the update hits the hub and instantly splits into parallel streams, forcefully securing the radar, weapons, and propulsion nodes. This automated deployment acts as a highly advanced circuit breaker. It immediately intercepts the incoming digital attack, securing just enough time to bring the physical defense systems fully back online. The signature update locks in. The system immediately identifies the invisible logic bomb and quarantines it, neutralizing the digital threat in milliseconds. With the targeting network restored, the hardware takes over. The Phalanx CIWS springs to life, tracking and destroying the incoming missile before impact. The immediate crisis is averted. But how does military leadership guarantee that this complex, automated update process works flawlessly every single time? Looking back at the infographic, the right side details the commander's review phase, showing automated systems demand rigorous human oversight. Administrators must physically examine system audit logs and verify scan results to prove updates are deploying as intended. Security personnel also undergo continuous briefings. They are regularly interviewed to ensure they fully understand the urgency and mechanics of the updating process. Maintaining strict updates for malicious code protection operates as the tactical vanguard. It directly connects digital compliance to the physical survival of the crew.
The implementation of SI.L1-3.14.4 has been reviewed.